Yeah, we going to the car wash. It smells so good.
Shiny color. Shiny color.
Sonic.
Yeah, that's shiny color.
Yeah, blue like Sonic.
Shiny. I know all that too.
What you doing?
Oh my God, I said something. My bad did not mean to do that. You don't want to get wet. I ain't mean to do that. Y'all, he holding the switch. That ain't me doing it. I don't know how that happened. I didn't mean to do that. Y'all, he started holding the switch. I was just playing with you, babe. That's a prank. To let the window down in the car prank. Yeah, he's so calm. He's so calm about it. He said, what? What you doing? Why you do that? Trusty said, I don't want to get wet. We got 21 minutes of this video. I think that's enough video for today. We need hours and hours of video for Vlogmas. Next week, gonna drop these videos. We coming with these videos, man. Put down below. Team Mika. We're gonna get up this family page. And Mika page still gonna be here because I ain't married. So to meet the Mangles is gonna be on the Mangles page, okay? So make sure y'all drop that. Give me a black heart. Drop some black hearts. Yes. For me. Y'all I'm finna come with some hair. So, where the pool? Is it a spot down there? I think I see one.
They gone.
Yeah.
Let's get it started.
There's somebody over there.
Babe, do this sport bra make my titties look like a dyke, or do I still look like a woman?
What does you mean look like a dyke?
Because you know them bras on sale tomorrow for $20. Like, do you think I need to invest in me like a t-shirt bra so like I get more of a cup so you can see I got like?
I don't know much about that.
Like, do you look at my titties and be like, ugh, like, you know what I'm saying? Do you get turned on by my titties? Do you think my titties are sexy?
Yeah, that's what you talking about.
This bra was almost $100. You think I should buy another one of these bras, or do you think I should get like one of those Victoria's Secret bras?
Yeah, we know.
Okay.
It's whatever make you call.
Let's see. What's wet? Oh, got wet a little bit. Trust, did you get wet?
Yeah.
Where you got wet at? He kind of cleaned it up and vacuumed out these cars, and Trust's gonna record, so.
I tell you. Stop taking my cake!
Yeah. Trying to see your mama try to windows up, man. What?
Oh, my stomach! I got to my dad! My stomach! My stomach, hurry! My stomach, hurry!